We are going to paint a beautiful birthday card using watercolor, and this is the fifth painting in watercolor birthday card series. First, we are going to draw a circle. Next, we have to wet inside the circle. We are going to paint night sky using wet on wet technique. I've placed the board in 30-degree angle and I'm ready with all the pigments in the palette. Using yellow ochre, I start painting inside the circle. I've already mixed opera rose with little amount of violet in the palette. Next, I'm using that mix which is similar to magenta color and apply it on the paper. Next, I blend yellow ochre with magenta so that there is even transition of one color to another. Next, I'm applying violet. Also, I'm blending violet with magenta for even transition of colors. At last, I'm applying indigo color, which is again blended with violet color. If there are excess pigments collected near the edges of the circle, then using a damp brush, suck all those excess pigments. After that, allow the paper to dry completely. Now the paper is completely dry. You can see I have painted outside the circle. So I'm going to remove that area using a damp brush. We have created a night sky inside a perfect circle. Next, we are going to splatter some whites for the stars. I'm using acrylic white for splattering some whites. After splattering the white color, allow it to dry completely and at last paint the pine trees. I'm using indigo color to paint the pine trees. I'm using medium value of indigo color to paint the pine trees. Then using its dark value, I paint the shadow part of the pine trees. Hope this video is useful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.